Hello, world. I have made this video to help people who, like me, are very frustrated with the fact that they can find a bunch of code that will set an autocomplete field, an address lookup field, to parse across these address fields, but that it never saves. You click it, it looks like it's going to save, it looks like it saves, and then you leave, you come back, and only the whatever field you use for the address lookup, right, is has a partial entry and everything else is empty. And I found out the solution because I was like, brain, the internet is not thinking for me properly at this point in time. So I need you to step in. Why isn't this working? My brain was like, well, maybe the system isn't seeing that an event is happening on the input field because you're not actually typing into it. You're just changing the value with JavaScript. And I was like, wow, brain, you're pretty handy sometimes. So before I get into how I did it, I'm going to slow scroll this code little screen by screen so that you can see what it is. And I'm going to guess you have a very similar code to it. And if not, and a bunch of people want me to put this somewhere where they can grab it, let me know. If I get enough comments to do so, I will. So let's go through this. Because isn't it annoying when somebody has a video on here with code and then it's like they fast scroll it and it's all blurry because it's small and it's basically useless to you? Not here on my channel with one video. All right, so the first thing I changed was like you can see here, I created a specific field for address lookup, and I changed that value here in the code, right, to the name of that field. Then I came up here and I looked to where the actual values are set. And what I did was I created variables for each of the fields that the value was changed, and then I used this, which is where I found it on Stack Exchange, thankfully, because where would we be without Stack Exchange? I don't know. Okay, but this is it. You take the variable, dispatch event, new event input, and then if you go here and I type in 123 Yale Place, which is not where I'm at, so don't send hate mail to these people, and then click save and refresh, you see that it has been saved. Now, of course, I didn't waste your time with all of the refresh progress, but I figured you didn't want to waste your time on that. So once more, all you have to do is really add these 4 lines of code, and it should work. If it doesn't work for you, I don't know what to tell you because it works for me. If you have any questions, ask Stack Exchange. Bye.